Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share how I transform this door into this one. For doing this DIY project, you don't really need any sophisticated tools. All you're going to need is a paintbrush or a paint roller or even a spray gun would be more than awesome for this project. So let's get started. The first stage is, as you can see in the pictures, the door had so many cracks and gaps between multiple wood pieces.
The door was already painted in enamel, so direct application of wood filler over it won't work really good. So I had to scratch off the top surface for the wood filler to have a stronger bond with the door surface. It can be done manually as well using a lower grit number sandpaper. After that, I applied a thin layer of wood filler over the prepared surface and spread it evenly throughout the door. Allow it to dry for a few hours, then sand off the excessive. Sanding once again over the top surface will make it nice, clean and exactly flat surface.
After that, the next step is to apply the first coat of primer. Wood is a porous material and it keeps on absorbing the paint if you don't apply primer. So what a primer does is it seals the surface of wood and makes it perfect for painting.
Apply multiple coats of wood primer until the surface gets perfect for painting. Allow the primer to dry for several hours.
So after the primer is applied, the next step is making the template, what kind of design you're going to make on your door. So you can either roughly do it on a piece of paper and upscale the same onto your door. Once that being done, next we have to mask the unwanted surface where you don't want to paint.
Evenly apply the base coat throughout the door surface and make sure you don't overdo it at the same place. That will make the surface finish look poor. Use a good quality respirator and eye protection while spray painting. A paintbrush or even a paint roller can give good results.
Once the base coat is dried, you can remove the masking tape and newspaper from the
And complete the remaining design using a paintbrush, a paint roller or even a spray gun, whichever you have. Once it all dried completely, I carefully removed the masking tape. It should be done with care, otherwise it may peel off the paint beneath it. And that's the final result. I think it's much better than it used to be. Please share your views in the comments below. Here is the after and before image of the door. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more such home renovation videos and DIY projects. Thanks for watching.